What is the Truth in Lending Act?
The Truth in Lending Act was originally Title I of the Consumer Credit Protection Act. The principal purpose of the Truth in Lending Act is to promote the informed use of consumer credit by requiring disclosures about its terms and cost. Regulation Z requires lenders, to make credit disclosures to individual borrowers for certain types of consumer loans. The Truth in Lending Act also gives consumers the right to cancel certain credit transactions that involve a lien on a consumer's principal dwelling, regulates certain credit card practices, and provide a means for fair and timely resolution of credit billing disputes. It also introduced the annual percentage rate calculation mandated for all consumer lenders. The Truth in Lending Act was enacted on May 29, 1968 as Title I of the Consumer Credit Protection Act. The Truth in Lending Act, implemented by Regulation Z, became effective on July 1, 1969. That is the Truth in Lending Act.